Hey, this is Conan, CR Components, here to go over this outer gear set for your torque hub drive motors and your outer sun shaft gear. So this goes on torque hub drive motors, set right there on the cover. Most of your late series John Deere track loaders, and goes on a Gale model, maybe a couple others out there, but specific to the John Deere's, this gear ratio. This is the outer gear set, which sits closest to the outside when this is mounted to the machine. It comes with a center sun gear, 3 outer planet gears, all loaded with bearings, everything you need right there. Sold separately is the sun shaft gear, which goes right down through the middle, like so. So most people buy these at the same time, because if you have wear and these are loose, you also probably have a lot of wear on the sun gear. So check us out, crcomponents.com. And also, if you do pull your gears out, there's a really good reassembly video. There's also, if you end up buying the bearing kit and everything, there's a disassembly video, how to press the ring gear out, all kinds of stuff like that. Our shop techs do really good videos on those. So browse through our channel, check out what else is to offer on your model and machine. Thank you very much.